My name is Maia. I'm a mother and athlete. This is a story of how I got my life back at HSS. When I had my first child, I displaced my hip. I knew I needed hip replacement surgery, but I was scared and delayed it for years. It was getting more unbearable. I couldn't sleep. My character changed, and the worst thing was I couldn't play with my kids. I could imagine that it can break my family apart. I chose HSS because they're the best in the world. The doctor, she helped me realize that I didn't need to live with the pain.
When I first met Maia, I could tell she was really someone who had so much life to live and so many things that she wanted to do. She's very involved in her work, she's very involved in her family, and really also a very active person. Maia's case was unique because she had severe hip dysplasia from birth, which led to early arthritis in her case. There was increased challenge in reconstructing her hip and making the abnormal shape of her hip into a normal, well-functioning hip.
After surgery, I feel like I'm back in my body, in my comfort zone. I feel I have no limits. Going to HSS was the best choice I've ever made.